Okay, Jay here. We have a vehicle where the AC doesn't work. With AC systems, one of the first things you always check when your air conditioning is not working is to see how much Freon's in the system. If you don't have the proper amount of Freon, it's not going to operate. So, as you can see by the gauges, and since we hooked our AC gauges up to them, there is no Freon in the system. So now we're going to do a vacuum test and see if it holds vacuum to determine whether or not it's got a leak. The leak test is about 3 minutes. So while we have the 3 minutes, we'll just look around the AC lines, see anything, if any of them look a little wet. See if the vehicle looks like it's been in an accident, maybe. Sometimes if they've been in an accident, they may have forgotten to recharge the system. Sometimes you may see a rocket hit the condenser. Stuff like that. So it's pulling down to 0. Both are pulling down below 0, which is good. Seconds. Then after the 51 seconds, we'll check to see if it holds vacuum after we let go. I don't think this video is going to be the best video, but we'll see. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The machine shows there's no Freon. See, now I look at the gauges. Now the system has been totally put into vacuum state. With the vacuum state, if it did have a leak, the gauges would not hold a negative vacuum. Okay? Especially like the high side or low side. High side and low side. This one's still like 30 or 40 pounds under 0.